Okay, guys, I went back out in the woods today for another hike and I took some pictures, which I will add to the Google Classroom page. But this is what I've done with the stones that I've asked you to collect. So if you were not able to collect stones yet, this is still something you can do going into the future. So I collected quite a few between around my apartment complex and out in the woods. And so you can see that I've gone through and written an uppercase and a lowercase letter for each letter. So there are several different activities you can do with these. You can scramble them all up, mix them up into a different order, and match, for example, to know that this is a lowercase r and it goes with the uppercase R. You can put them in order. You can scramble them up and put them in order so that you're starting with A and going all the way down to the Z. Now I only wrote one upper, one lowercase letter, but you could do something where you're writing your name. So for example, I know my name starts with this letter. When you write your name, it starts with the uppercase letters. So I'd start with T, and then I would look for a Y next, the lowercase y. It is hard to do this if your name has many of the same letter in it, but you could maybe make some extra stones with those letters in it. T-Y-R, and then I have an A. I've also written down the numbers 1 through 10, so you could play with those. You might want to write down, like, for example, I'm 45. I'm 45 for a few more weeks, guys. My birthday's in May. I'll be 46 soon. So there's lots of different things you could do with this set and keep it for the future to play different games with it. But I just wanted to show what I meant when I wrote ABC Rocks. And I don't know, see what you guys can do. Let me know, what letters are you able to identify? What can you spell? What games do you come up with these? Want to practice the letter sounds maybe? So you could go through and say, oh, I know this is a B, and B says B, B, B. For, Braden and Brown, and you can name the Braxton, and you can name friends that we have with each. We have a lot of A friends in our class. You could go through and find which friends start with which letters. So lots of games you can do with these alphabet stones, ABC stones. And so let me know what you come up with. All right.